Good morning. So I am on my way to The Hague to check out the Design Museum Dedel or Dedel. This building dates back to 1642 to a man named William Dedel. The building stayed in the Dedel family for about 150 years, after which it was sold and belonged to several families. Then in the early 1900s it became a book auction house before becoming the museum that we know today. I was really lucky to be given a tour by a man called Richard. I have to say Richard really made this visit very special because all the insights and stories that he had made this building even more special. And it hasn't been massively modernized, and it feels like you are stepping back in time. And the fact that it's being restored now, it's phenomenal to be able to see this, because most of the time we go somewhere, the restoration's been done and it's all beautiful and everything. I want to see it when it's not that beautiful and needs to be restored. Like, that's the bit that I find really fascinating. And so you get to see various rooms. Also, there's some beautiful historic wallpaper, and of course this jaw-dropping stucco staircase. Now, I haven't even begun to tell you about the various exhibitions that you can see in the different rooms as well. There are about 4 small exhibitions on display, and the one that I really liked was the KLM themed exhibition. I think it's so interesting to see how far the aviation industry has come. And on a personal note, I most definitely did a double take when I saw this London to Hong Kong in 14 days. Oh my goodness. In terms of ticket prices, it's 12 euros per adult or 10 euros if you've got a museum card. Now, I really think a place like this is worth supporting. They don't have the glitz and glamour of these big name museums that attract hordes of people every month, but the work they're doing is so important. It has so much historical value, and I really want to support a place like this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.